Welcome everyone for a new Ice Age video. Today I have some exciting news for Ice Age fans. Ice Age Scrat Tales, the new Ice Age series, is not cancelled because people thought that the series would get cancelled after when Blue Sky Studios got shut down on April. Well, no, you're wrong. Ice Age Scrat Tales has been finished and it's now coming to Disney Plus in 2022. On which day? April 13th. That's right, you heard me. Ice Age Scrat Tales, the new Ice Age series, will be coming out to Disney Plus in April 13, 2022. And I have to say, I can't wait to watch this series because I've already watched the first one that came out in 2022 called Ice Age Adventures of Buckwild. And I already know that you're posting a hate comment saying, but Julian, Ice Age Adventures of Buckwild was a terrible spin-off film. How could you like the series? Well, I liked the series because I liked how Simon Pegg returned as Buck. And I know the animation sucked. The animation looked like it was built for a TV series. And the original cast has been recast by different casts. And I totally get it. Some people might hate it, but some people do like the film. They like the spin-off films sometimes. Some people might hate it. Don't get mad at me if I say I liked the movie, because some people may like the movie and some people would not like the movie. So don't get mad at me if I said I liked the Ice Age Adventures of Buckwild. So please don't get mad at me. So anyways, we have some photos for Ice Age Scrat Tales and a poster for the release of Scrat Tales. So let's look at these images, shall we? The first one we're going to be starting with is the Ice Age Scrat Tales poster. And I gotta say, the poster looks awesome. I like how Scrat is holding his acorn while his baby Scrat is holding on to the acorn. And it almost reminds me of the Circle of Life from The Lion King, where the monkey holds Simba into the sun and then the animals bows to Simba for him to become the next Lion King. And I can already tell that this is a reference to the Lion King, so yeah. And the release date is revealed under the logo called Scrat Tales, where it says April 13, only on Disney Plus. And there's a funny note up here that says the nut doesn't fall far from the tree. And I can already tell that this is a reference to an animated short film called No Time for Nuts. Because if you see at the end of the short film, Scrat ends up in time where he lands on grass and then he finds a tree filled with golden nuts. But he tries to get one out, but it was gold. And he tries to break the time machine, but the acorn accidentally ends up going back in time, and then at the end he starts screaming, and then everything goes black. So yeah, so this is a reference to No Time for Nuts, because the notes is reminding me of the animated short films. So yeah. Anyways, moving on. Okay, so we have a screenshot that looks like Scrat is teaching baby Scrat of how to stick an acorn in the ground, like Scrat did in his previous movies, where he sticks the nut in the ground, but he always causes a disaster. The ground breaks, and then sometimes he always breaks mountains or glaciers, some kind of shit where what he did in the previous movies, and then there's this rope coming down, and that's making it a circle. Is it a trap or something, or is he just trying to stay in the circle? Because I don't know what's going on. And we see an X in the ground to where he's gonna put the acorn in the ground, where he's gonna stick it in. But yeah, let's move on to the next clip. The next screenshot we have is Scrat and baby Scrat in a dark cave, I believe that's what it's called. And I think they're staring at something that is glowing in the distance. What are they staring at? Are they staring at a crystal? Or are they just like staring at something scary? Like, is there a villain in this short film series? Like, I don't know, but I can probably tell that they're looking at something that is glowing in the cave, or is it just like something like a haunted house, like a fair house or something? Because I don't know. Because I can already tell that this is Scrat and Baby Scrat inside a cave, looking at something that is glowing from the distance. Like, are they in a fair house, or are they in something scary? Like, there's gonna be something scary popping up. Like, I don't know. Let's move on. And in our final screenshot, we have Scrat and Baby Scrat in the ground sniffing for something, or are they just probably sneaking up on something? Because I have no idea what's going on here. Because we have Baby Scrat and Daddy Scrat sneaking up or sniffing for something, but I have no idea what's going on here. But we're gonna have to find out when the series comes out on Disney Plus. But anyways, let's move on. And I forgot to mention that there was a plushie for Baby Scrat. And I gotta say, this plushie looks so cute. It has the tag Ice Age Scrat Tails. It looks so cute, and it looks like it's so fluffy. I would want to purchase that because I have the original Scrat from the original previous movies, and I think I need this Baby Scrat plushie because it looks so cute, and I would sleep with it. And I think I would sleep with it every night because it looks so cute. What do you guys think? Would you purchase the Baby Scrat plushie? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, let's end the video. And one more thing before I end the video, I wanted to tell you guys that Scrat Tales will not be like Ice Age Adventures of Buckwild. Because unlike Adventures of Buckwild, Scrat Tales will be produced by Blue Sky Studios before they got shut down on April 2021. And it's good because it will not end up like it was made for a TV series, and we will not have like replaced voice actors because Chris Wedge will be returning as the voice of Scrat. So anyways, yeah. Anyways, that's today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe for more Ice Age videos like this one. Till then, I'll see you next time. Bye now.